Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix ARC error. A disallowed game file addition was detected. System integrity violation error. The error code is ARAV8007. So if you're getting this error in the ARC game, then here follow the steps to solve this error. Now this error occurs after the yesterday patch up. You can see on January 27 there is a patch note 1.13.0, and after this patch updates many users are facing this problem. So here follow the steps to solve this error. So first of all, verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, and then right click on Arc Raiders game. I do not have the Arc Raiders game. You have to right click on the Arc Raiders game. This is just an example, and then go to properties and then go to installed files and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then just clean reinstall the game. It is recommended. So first uninstall the game and then manually delete the leftover game folder. Or you can also take the help of Revo Uninstaller program to completely delete the file related to ARC Raiders. So to install the Revo Uninstaller program, open Chrome, search for Revo Uninstaller, and then click on this Revo Uninstaller website, and then you can click on free download, and here you can see Revo Uninstaller free. Click on this free download. You will see Revo setup exe file has been downloaded. Click it and install the Revo Uninstaller software on your PC, and then scan your PC and then go to Uninstaller option, and then here in the search for ARC Raiders and right click on it and then select uninstall, and then you will see another pop-up screen. Click on continue and then it will uninstall the ARC Raiders as well as their leftovers game folders. And after uninstalling the game, just restart your PC once. It is a must. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you can then reinstall the game. And after installing the game, you can then launch the ARC Raiders game and your problem will get fixed. You will not get this system integrity violation error. A disallowed game file addition was detected. Error code ARAV8007. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.